Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to this channel. Tonight, we are going to enter a carnival full of fun and entertainment. In the meantime, you'll explore the rides with me while I give you a POV around this place. Oh, important message. You will hear my beautiful voice on occasion, but everything else will be raw. So sit back and let the exploring begin.
Alright guys, let's go to the cuckoo one. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta be very careful, shit. Yeah. Oh my god. That one, but wait a minute, what is this? Doesn't move? Nope. Alright. Next challenge. The slide. Oh. I didn't actually slide. And we got this things. Alright. Hold on with everything. Oh no. Oh man. This is gonna be a difficult challenge. Especially because it's wet. Oh god. Well, they'll go nothing. Oh, okay. They didn't have to move. Alright, that's all for that. It was a little fun, wet fun, but it was fun. It's been raining, so what the heck. Next ride, Haunted Mansion. Ooh, let's boo. Hopefully I can get something with low light. We got Jack the Ripper. Can I take a little video of this one? Woo! Beautiful. Thank you. Let's see if I can.
Have a nice day, guys.
You too.
Cheers.
Oh, look what we got. The goodies. Oh, it melted on me. Oh yeah, let's try this. This is really good.
Anybody else or what?
Alright, which one would you like? The one right here or over?
Don't matter. I guess this one.
Okay.
Let's see.
Alright, it's an automatic, so don't hold the trigger down. You can leave
Well, what
way
is
as
up
far as
first,
you can reach.
Mrs. Dancing Queen? What is it? Oh, that's a little fairyland princess. What's in the box? A rabbit? You got a rabbit in the box?
Woo, you gotta have the trigger finger there.
Yeah.
Slow
Almost,
down.
almost. I got it.
You gotta slow down.
Oh, that's the trick.
Yeah, you can't go so fast. When you go like Rambo style, it goes all over the place.
Rambo style. All right, thank you, Mama. Hey, at least something.
Have you seen the Rambo movie?
All right, beautiful people. As the lights start to fade and the night comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed exploring this carnival with me. From the rides to the energy all around, this was just a little piece of the fun. If you liked this experience, don't forget to stick around for more exploring like this. Until next time, like always, have a blessed one, guys. Bye.